Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can get Crowbar in Duckov. So the first method is you can just go and explore the world, but it's rarely that you can find one. So basically, to get faster the Crowbar, you need just a workbench, and right here if you go next to the workbench and interact with it, you'll find the Crowbar. So for the Crowbar, you will need to find a blueprint that you're going to learn in blueprint research, like this. Here you'll put the blueprint, then you click register, and after that you can craft it a crowbar. As you can see, it only requires 3 metal plates, and as you can see right now I have a crowbar. So if this video is helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.